Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. This compact drone is packed with advanced features, an impressive camera system, and a highly portable design, perfect for creators who are always on the move. Stick around to find out what makes the Mini 5 Pro a true game changer. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. The DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains the lightweight, foldable design that has made the Mini series so popular while introducing premium materials for added durability. Its portable structure allows it to easily fit into a backpack or a small carrying case, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go creators. The drone's aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, ensuring smooth and stable performance even in breezy conditions. Subtle tweaks, like improved vent placement and sleeker arms, contribute to its overall look and functionality. The matte finish resists fingerprints and scratches, keeping the Mini 5 Pro looking pristine after extended use. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers stunning 4K video and 20-megapixel still images, rivaling the image quality of larger drones. The improved gimbal stabilization ensures smooth footage, even during fast maneuvers or in windy conditions. The drone also excels in low-light environments, with advanced HDR capabilities that make it suitable for a wide range of shooting conditions, from golden hour landscapes to nighttime cityscapes. The wide color profile provides more flexibility in post-production, allowing for professional-grade content creation. With intelligent shooting modes like Active Track and Master Shots, the Mini 5 Pro offers an effortless way to capture cinematic visuals. The DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers a highly responsive and intuitive flying experience. Upgraded propulsion systems provide faster speeds and improved agility, making it perfect for capturing dynamic shots. Enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors improve safety and give pilots confidence when navigating through complex environments. With an extended range and strong connectivity, the Mini 5 Pro ensures stable control, even in challenging or urban areas. The redesigned controller, featuring an ergonomic grip, enhances the overall flying experience, whether you're a novice or an experienced pilot. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its impressive battery life, offering up to 35 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended duration is a significant improvement over its predecessor, allowing users to capture more footage in a single session. The intelligent battery management system optimizes energy usage for maximum efficiency, while quick charging reduces downtime between flights. The lightweight design of the battery also complements the drone's portability, making extra batteries easy to carry. With its long-lasting power, the Mini 5 Pro is a reliable companion for creators. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is packed with intelligent features that enhance both flying and shooting experiences. The upgraded Active Track technology locks onto subjects with precision, enabling smooth tracking shots, even in fast-paced or crowded environments. Creative modes like waypoint and hyperlapse add versatility for aerial storytelling, while safety features like geofencing and return to home ensure peace of mind, especially for beginner pilots. With improved quick-shot modes, users can easily execute complex maneuvers, like the drone or circle, with minimal effort. These intelligent features make the Mini 5 Pro a powerful creative tool, offering endless possibilities for capturing breathtaking visuals. The DJI Mini 5 Pro takes subject tracking to the next level with its enhanced Active Track feature, which locks onto moving subjects such as people, vehicles, or animals, and follows them with smooth precision. Improved algorithms keep the tracking consistent, even in complex environments with obstacles or varied speeds. This makes the Mini 5 Pro ideal for capturing dynamic footage, like action sports or wildlife in motion. With this technology seamlessly integrated, creators can focus on storytelling while the drone handles the technicalities, turning challenging tracking shots into effortless, cinematic experiences. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable upgrade, blending portability with professional-level features. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for creators on the move, while its powerful camera system and intelligent features appeal to both hobbyists and professionals. With enhanced flight performance, longer battery life, and advanced safety features, the Mini 5 Pro stands out as a versatile tool for aerial photography and videography. Its intuitive features, like Find My Drone, further add to its appeal, making it user-friendly and reliable. That wraps up today's deep dive into the world of tech wonders with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you found this video helpful and discovered some must-have gadgets, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Technify, give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon if you haven't already. You won't want to miss our daily coverage of the latest and greatest in tech. See you in the next video.